Down, set, hut. Owen, I told you you need to pay attention. I told you to go to the right, not the left.
I know. I just gotta go take a break.
Are you an athlete that's messing up plays and not paying attention?
Yes.
Then I have just what you need. Nature's Nectar, the fastest and tastiest way to pay attention.
Get out of town.
No, I'm serious. Nature's Nectar not only helps you pay attention, but it also helps dyslexia, memory, depression, mood swings, and clumsiness.
Give me some of that. Are you ready to play? Now I am. Nature Nectar. Mystify yourself.
Athlete that's messing up plays and not paying attention.
Yeah. Yes?
Okay. Down! Set, hut!
Ow!
Nature.
Nature.